Let's get my gold fingers weighed up. That ain't all of them, mind, so I got another lot just over there, so I'll put them on as well. Right, so if I call that 400 by there, 400, back to 0. Get these in there now. That's all of them now. So 326 at 400, 726 grams altogether. I'm going to process these in Eco Goldex. Eco Goldex E-Series. The instructions recommend 50 grams of Eco Goldex per 1 litre of warm/hot water. But what I'm going to do is 25 grams per 800 ml. I want to try and save my Eco Goldex as much as possible. I don't think I should go that concentrated if I'm honest. So I'll weigh it up now. Zero. Get a spoon. Hopefully it'll fit in the beaker, the 25 grams, should. Yeah, easy. Five more grams. Lovely. So it's 25 grams. Got my hot water ready, got my Eco Goldex. Fill it up to 800 ml. Actually, I'll go 700. I'll go 7. don't want to use too much water. They say about filtering, but I'm not going to. I just give this a little while and let it dissolve, and then I'll put the fingers in. It's settled out for some time now. It's still warm. Not quite hot actually. Obviously, the amount of fingers in there is not going to fit in that beaker. So I think I'm going to have to do this in 3 to 4, maybe 5 smaller batches. I'll demonstrate now how fast this stripping agent works. I'll use one finger now. As you can see the gold on there. Start to strip. You see the silver plating underneath. That is nickel metal. There you go. Awesome. So I'll throw that in there now. I'll put some more in. See how many we can get in, is it? Right, so this batch of fingers won't take that long. So much easier than acid peroxide method. Much easier. A lot faster. Less waste solution. Have a bit of a shake so I can cover it all. I managed to squeeze more in there. Can't get any more in here now. But they are, you can see the stripping. More agitation. Still a bit in here yet, but 1/3 maybe. Oh, actually, I don't know. Could be half. Yeah, it might even be half. Looking promising. So what I've done, I've poured off the pregnant solution. So you're left with the fingers, which they've been stripped, but you see they've gone dark? Believe it or not, that's gold plating back out. I've basically used all the stripping agent and it's all been consumed. And when that happens, then the gold will start plating back out onto the nickel. So the way to combat this is I'm going to plate the gold out of this now. and then I'm going to reuse this solution to strip more fingers. I'll put it back into these because I know there's still gold in there because it's plated back out. So I've got the gold plating out onto a wire wool. I don't know if the camera picks it up, but there is a little bit of plating starting to form on the wire wool. Gold is plating out. I've managed to put the full batch into Goldex, but I have to go through these now because there is a few of the fingers which still got gold on. What I'll do is run them through again for the next batch, so no problem at all. So this is the cathode. Doesn't look much, but there should be a nice amount of gold on there. The next step will be to take that outside and dissolve away the steel wool with hydrochloric acid. We're outside now. Splash of hot water. And splash of HCl to dissolve out the iron. Leave out for a few hours. I'll come back to you then. So it's the next day. The solution's gone green, which is expected because the iron's been dissolved. That should be mostly gold now. So what I'll do is decant off the solution and then go to aqua regia to dissolve the gold. Got the gold dissolving in aqua regia, hot aqua regia. Only took a few minutes ready to completely dissolve. So that tells me there ain't that much gold there. All gold has been dissolved. The solution's been filtered and is ready for precipitation with SMB. Adding the SMB. One more. So I give it a few days to settle out. As you can see, there is a little bit of colour left to the solution. which tells me there was still some iron left with the gold. So it's time for the results. There's some gold from previous refines. So I tear the scales and I'll add this little bit to the rest. Three point seven grams. Not too bad.